I might be living your American dream, but I'm nowhere near where my dream is, dog. I got aspirations. I got big dreams.
Hey y'all, so I just wanted to pop in really quick. We are on our way out of the house. I feel so cute today. I have to return some stuff to Amazon, go to the grocery store, pick my daughter up. I think we're gonna stop at Forever 21, and then come back home and eat. I cooked last night, so I have leftovers we're gonna eat tonight for dinner, and that's it. I just wanted to come in and pop in, girl. So let's go. So hello guys, and welcome to today's vlog. I just wanted to come in and open up a vlog for the week. I don't have a rhythm on my vlogs. I'm still over the place. I don't have a direct way of how I'm going to be doing the vlogs, and I think it's due to me not wanting to record outside. I gotta get over that, so I'm going to be working on that this week for sure. I'm going to go ahead and start prepping for dinner because I like to have dinner cooked because I know my daughter gets hungry when she gets out of school. So, and that's around 5 o'clock. We kind of make it home around probably 4:45, 5 o'clock, a little before 5, because I have to clock back in from my lunch break at 5 o'clock. So I like to go ahead and get dinner started early. And oh yeah, today is gym day, so we have to go to the gym later on. And then this weekend I have to go back to the car shop, child, because it's a noise on my car. I have to see what that is. I want to try to get my bed and do a few other little things that I have to do. I have to register my car, and I have to do something with that, get some kind of evaluation or something. I'm not sure. It's time to get dinner started, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook this meat first and do this meat sauce. I'm cooking spaghetti. Hey y'all, so right now I'm gonna wipe down this counter actually. Okay y'all, so I just got ready to go to the gym. I'm not going to the gym till late, but once I go get my daughter, I just like to put on my gym clothes on gym day. last gym day, it was a lot of people, and it's because we all getting off work and stuff. So I go to the community gym. So we're gonna go a little bit later. Yeah, we're gonna go a little bit later in the day, in the evening rather, so we can really work out on everything we like to use. Hey y'all, so we back from the grocery store. Let me close this up. I don't know. I'm back from the grocery store and now, ooh, y'all dingy. Let me wipe y'all off, girl. Okay, so we just got back from the grocery store. Let me show y'all what I got. Aluminum foil, potatoes, peanut butter cookies, frozen broccoli. So hello guys, I am back. Yes, I do got on this dress again. I am wearing it again today. It has been washed, but I'm waiting on my new bed. I have cleaned up and mopped my floors, and now I'm just getting ready to wait on this bed. Like, I'm really ready for this new bed. So waiting on the bed, girl, and about to watch some YouTube videos and also go through my makeup. I really need some new concealer. Like, if I had to say exactly what I needed, it is concealer. So like, I can really get past with foundation. I'm trying not to I'm not even gonna say I'm trying, because I don't. So I'm not over buying stuff. So I'm actually just waiting. I think I'm gonna put this on my windowsill, but I don't know how that's gonna work though. So yeah, I'm just right now like organizing as much as I can. I have some more stuff coming that I left at my parents' house. My mom shipped like 2 boxes. She's just gonna ship like 2 boxes every other week. So yeah. So right now I'm just gonna watch some YouTube and wait on the bed. Once the bed come, I will bring you guys back out. So y'all, we got a bed. We got a bed. We got a bed. I got a bed. I got a bed. Alright, go ahead.
what you all been waiting for, ain't it? What people pay paper for, name it. They can't stain it, they want something new. So let's get reacquainted. Became the hood favorite, I can't even explain it. I surprised myself too. Life of a dawn, life